just taking a quick look at this Lion Energy. This is a 50 watt, just a very small portable solar panel. You know, this is about the same size actually as that new panel that Jackery came out with that they're bundling with the new 300 Plus. And as far as I know, that's the only way you can get that Jackery panel. So this is interesting. You know, if you're looking for a backpack-sized solar panel, you might want to take a look at this. And in fact, a lot of the specs on this thing are actually better than that Jackery panel. So the big news is, you know, 50 watts, but yet it folds up to, you know, basically around 11 by 11. So, you know, very small, almost the same size as the Jackery. The Jackery is like 10 by 12, although it is a little bit thicker when it's folded up. But yeah, at the end of the video, I'll kind of make a chart and put all the kind of comparison details together there for you. But yeah, the big feature about this panel is the kickstands. So yes, this is a very small portable backpack size panel that has kickstands. A lot of these little panels, they don't, right? You just kind of unfold them and lay them out on the ground or whatever. So yes, this thing does have kickstands, and being 50 watts too, rated for 50 watts, you know, you're not going to get 50 watts, but still, you know, that rating with the kickstands, you're probably going to get close to 40 watts, right? Now, this listing is kind of weird. You know, almost everything in this listing is actually about this little power bank that they they don't even, it's not even available yet. If you actually try to just go to the page for the power bank, that's what you get. You know, you get the dog page. Yeah, so this is all about the power bank. You know, they're showing the solar panel with the power bank there. You know, there it is, tucked in, a little power bank tucked into the backpack, 1,000 life cycles. It's actually a 100 watt hour little power bank, but again, you know, it doesn't come with this solar panel. So I don't know why they're showing this. And so in fact, I actually had to do some digging on their Amazon page, their homepage, their store on Amazon to even find this information here. So so here's the, you know, the power. It is an 18, it does, you know, output 18 volts, 2.7 amps to get that 50 watts. It is a four panel design. There's 4 sections. And then the outputs, it actually has USB-A, a USB-C, and a 55, I'm gonna guess it's a 5521. And they do mention that it includes a 10-foot cord as well. And so yeah, you know, if you wanted to use this with a Jackery, for example, you can just get a little adapter. You know, you can always find adapters for Jackery. In this case, you'd want to look for a 5521 female to a 7909 male, or whatever power station you want to use this thing with, right? You can always find, you know, 5521 adapters for whatever your power station uses. And then this is interesting as well. This is a comment from a reviewer. They actually mentioned that this is designed in the USA and made in Vietnam. Now, there's no actual mention of that anywhere in the listing, so I don't know if that's true. So yeah, just a quick look at this Lion Energy. And by the way, this company, they actually have some new power stations coming out as well, with some expansion batteries, very nice, like very cool full color LCD screens. So yeah, I'll definitely be taking a look at all that stuff here in some future videos. But yeah, here's just kind of the chart of the comparison to that new 40 watt Jackery panel. Now the other advantage the Jackery panel does have is it is IP68 rated, right? So that can be a pretty big benefit. But yeah, just a quick comparison there. And hopefully you just kind of found all this information helpful or interesting. And yeah, thanks for watching.